If for any reason you want to fully fill out your booking.com account, simply means that you want to fill out all your personal details to ensure that when you're booking your next trip, you have all your details that could possibly show up on your account. So guys, I'm going to show you how to add your passport details to your booking.com account. All you have to do is sign into Booking, click your account on the upper right hand side and go to My Account. Now from here, you want to scroll down towards the middle and look under the Manage Account section and click on your personal details. Now from here, scroll down towards the bottom and you'll have passport details, and it's currently not set. So you can quickly add your passport here by simply entering your first name. I can simply put in whatever, and then you can choose the country of issuer. You can basically type in the passport number. I'm going to make up something as well, and you can basically set the expiration date. Let's make up something as well and just basically set the expiration date. So I'm going to just set this to, for example, 2030. You can say you consent and basically click on save, and that's how you add it. Very easy and very simple, guys.